A quick tip for you today if you're new to Windows 11. I didn't get it when it first came out, so I'm probably like you if you're watching this video and you're wondering why the taskbar is in the center. I don't know what the thought was behind that. I guess Microsoft figured it would be more convenient. But in order to change it, it's really easy. You just have to right-click the taskbar, click Taskbar Settings, and then scroll down to the bottom where it says Taskbar Behaviors. And then we'll scroll down, and right here, Taskbar Alignment, there's two options, center and left. And I prefer it like on Windows 10 on the left. So that was just a quick video. If you have any other things you need help with on Windows 11, feel free to leave a comment and I'll probably end up doing a video to show you how to fix it. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.